Hey everyone, it's Kwesi Sakyi-Gyinae here, and I'm super excited to launch my course, Cold Email Lead Generation Masterclass. In this course, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step processes and techniques and strategies that I've used very successfully and my clients have used successfully to consistently get over 1,000 appointments and generate over 7 figures in sales pipeline and opportunities. So this course will teach you everything you need to know from the basics to the advanced. So we will go over details like how to set cold email campaign goals, how to track them, how to research more leads in less time, how to find and validate the contact information of your prospects, and we will go into the nitties and gritties of how you can write subject lines that really grabs the attention of the prospect, how you can triple your meeting rate, how you can choose an email software that makes your cold email campaign even more successful, and ultimately we're going to talk about how you can convert cold email replies into opportunities. So I am super thrilled that I can share everything I know regarding lead generation with you. So there's so much content in the course, and I'm very confident that anyone who takes this course would have a ton of value and get a ton of value. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description box, and it's going to take you to the course homepage where you can find everything about the course, the outline, the overview. We have over 50 lessons in video that you can go through and definitely make a decision to join. And if you know anyone who can benefit from this course, I'll be happy if you can share it with them. And the best part of all this is I'll be there throughout the course, throughout every class, every lesson, to respond to your questions, to respond to the concerns that you have. If you have any questions, if you need clarification on anything, I will be there to provide that to you. And so I'm super excited. I hope that you can sign up, or if you know anyone who can benefit from this, please send it over to them so they can take advantage of this great opportunity. And I hope to see you in the class soon.